Well, a month ago I broke a CV axle in all the snow. I'm gonna try to fix it. It's been sitting. See if it starts up. Well, we waited until got a nice day out and some of the snow melted to get it in the garage to replace the CV axle. We got new CV axle, new strut. Okay, new strut assembly, new CV. Got the level back in. Get to that side next weekend. Ran out of time here. Get the skid plate back on, the air dam after we get that side completely done. New CVs on both sides. New struts. Got the level kit back in. Just gotta tighten everything up. Now some time to put the tire on. Get some old grease off there. New strut. New CVs on both sides. New stabilizer. Sway bar link. All done. First drive. Got the tires back on. So far it's driving nicer. Those struts, I knew my old struts were wearing out, so those new struts are really nice. Very nice having new CVs and new struts. Handled way better.